Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the third match in round 2 and the scores are Wolmer's boys on 32 points, Wolmer's girls on 23 points. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from Bible knowledge. The field that Judas Iscariot, Wolmer's boys.
No, the field of blood.
Field of blood.
Correct. The field that Judas Iscariot purchased with his betrayal money was called Akedama, which literally means what? And you've answered correctly. Biology. What is the stage during eukaryotic cell division in which the chromosomes are segregated to opposite poles? Wolmer's boys?
Anaphase.
Anaphase.
Correct. Opposite poles of the cell. English language. Give the British spelling of Wolmer's boys.
Loquacious.
L-O-C-Q-U-A-I-O-S.
No, the question would have been spelling of leukemia. And it's L-E-U-K-A-E-M-I-A. International Affairs, it's a visual question, teams. Look at the screen and identify this Canadian leader. Wolmer's girls.
Pierre Trudeau.
No, it's Francois Legault. And that's the Premier of Quebec. Chemistry. What is the name given to compounds derived from aromatic hydrocarbon rings bonded to a hydroxyl group? Wolmer's boys.
Alcohols.
No, phenols. Music and audio question teams. Listen to the clip, please, and identify the group. That's SWV. And general knowledge, what creatures live in a formicarium? Wolmer's girls.
Ant.
Correct. Spanish. Which part of the body is la len? Wolmer's boys.
Tongue.
Tongue.
Correct. Lengua. Geography. Which of the 3 cardinal directions? A, west, northwest, B, northwest, or C, north-northwest, best describes the direction of Sam Sharp Square, Montego Bay with respect to Halfway Tree, St. Andrew. A is what we're looking for, west, northwest. Theatre and cinema visual question teams, look at the screen and identify the person, please. Wolmer's boys.
Daniel Radcliffe.
Correct. Information technology. What is the name for a type of memory inside the CPU that temporarily holds data needed by the same CPU? Register. History. What was the name for the elaborate inclinometer historically used by astronomers, navigators, and astrologers to determine latitude by measuring the position of stars? It's an astrolabe. Mathematics, what are the factors of x to the 4th power minus y to the 4th power? X minus y, x plus y, and x squared plus y squared. Physics, what is the name given to the electrical property at a point measured by the work done in bringing a unit charge? Wolmer's boys.
Potential difference. Potential difference.
Judges, electrical potential is what I have. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Wolmer's boys.
Coco Gauff.
Is correct. Jamaican heritage. Which Jamaican national hero is said to have died in early 18th century? Wolmer's boys.
Nanny of the Maroons.
Correct. And with that bell, it means it's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Wolmer's boys on 38 points and Wolmer's girls on 23 points. We take a break and come back in just a moment.